welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we will see how to add custom field inside the user's permission plugin inside. By default, we have username, email, and password. These three field is required and rest are always optional. So let me add a custom field by clicking on this add another field. I will choose the text because it is actually a nickname. So let me add the name, nickname. Before clicking on finish, I would like to show you the advanced setting. And here you can provide any default value if you want. You can also provide any regular expression if you want. And if you want this field to be required field, you can also check this box. If you want it unique, you can again check this box. For maximum length, minimum length, you can do the same. And if you click on this private field, this will not included in your API response. And this is condition. So if you want to apply any custom condition on this custom field, you can add it from here. So I think this is new. Earlier it was not to present in strapi before. Yeah, it was not present in strapi before. So it is only present in strapi v5. Yeah, I don't want to have any default value for this field and just some basics. Click on this finish and click on this save. So sometimes it doesn't reflect anything. So just again click on this reload icon, it will reload. Yeah. So our custom field has been added. So let's see how to add values inside this custom field. So I already have this username, email, and password because these are mandatory and you cannot skip this field. And these are required parameter. So for to skip this field like username, and if you want to only go with the email and password, you need to customize the strapi's default controller for user permission plugin, or you can say also say register endpoint. I will later show you how you can do that as well. But for the time being, we will see how to add custom uh, values inside our custom field. So I have already added some of the fields, so I know it will throw an error if I'm providing the same email and username. So let me say John 3 and also for the email John 3. So you can see I am providing the required parameter. If I don't provide anything, it will definitely throw 400 error. I think something is wrong from strapi side. That's why it shows a 500 internal server error. Let me again copy paste my JSON. So I have pasted this time. Click on send. If the user is registered successfully, you can see the JWT token here and the user's information, all the information related to provider, confirmation, email, document ID, etc. But you see the nickname field is null. Why? Because we didn't provide any value to the nickname field, and that's obvious. So let me again provide, also add the nickname field here. So nickname, if let's say John 123, this is the nickname. So if I try to send this nickname field, strapi will refuse and it will throw an error. Let me show why. So ENC is throws an error 400 status with the status 400 validation error invalid parameter nickname because strapi is refusing to take this nickname field. So let me show you how you can let the strapi know. So strapi is refusing. Actually, it is not taking this nickname field. So we need to tell strapi that, hey, strapi, please stay. I have just added this custom field, and you need to also include this inside this request payload. So For that, you need to go to the strapi documentation, here users permissions plugin, and actually it's docs.strapi.io.cms.slash/features user permission. You need to copy this and put it inside the config plugin.ts. So if just copy paste it and save it, strapi build. Yes, it will try to restart again. Let me see the terminal. Yes, strap is restarting. So let's wait until the restart complete, and the restart is already completed. So now if I will click again this send button, so it will not throw the error. It will succeed this time. So let me click on the send and see the username is already taken because username and email are unique. You need to always provide a unique value for these two fields. So let me change it from zone 3 to zone 4, and this is also from zone 3 to zone 4. And now if I will click on send, it will succeed this time, definitely yes. So now it has written JWT token and username, and with our custom field with values zone 1 to 3. So you can add as many custom field as you want, but don't forget to add that custom field inside this